Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the duplicate one or more documents function. Let's get started.
The duplicate one or more documents function is used to create copies of selected data documents within the workspace. To add this function to your actions, go to your project canvas and locate the installed action you want to modify. Hover over it and click Edit. Inside the editor, click on Add Function. Then, click on the header of the newly added function. In the search bar, type duplicate one or more documents and select it. Next, select the data document you want to be copied when the action is triggered. Configure the function for duplication by specifying who is allowed to duplicate the documents. This can either be anyone or limited to the document owner. When the entry is created, you can prepend the phrase copy of to the selected data field, such as the employee name. Additionally, if the document has an existing status, you can choose a specific status to overwrite it with during the duplication process. That's the end of our tutorial on the duplicate one or more documents function. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.